Bulwark Cool Coats and Chemicals was started in 1999 at Malaysia. In the year of 2002, the company entered into manufacturing some specialty coating system, especially thermal insulation coatings. In the year of 2006 this company started to export their products from Malaysia to many countries that including to India. In the year of 2015, the company started its manufacturing plant in India by having tie-up with Indian entrepreneurs. Then in the year of 2019, incorporated as Bulwark Cool Coats and Chemicals Private Limited. Now, Bulwark manufacturing in India, Chennai, with Malaysian technical collaboration, and exporting to the various countries, especially to Vietnam, Malaysia, Dubai and Oman. We got a various certification from both state and central government. Manufacturing green build products, we supports to bring down global warming by manufacturing heat-proof and solar-reflective paints. Bulwark Cool Coats and Chemicals aims to have 200 crore turnover in manufacturing and exporting European standard construction chemicals to multiple countries and become #1 exporter in international market in 2030.